Hi, my name is Luda Shashua, and I am going to present a formative research I have conducted for a new application that helps users to create, use, and share notes. Now to the challenge. A fake company, Notes, decided to create a new app for note-taking. Currently, the product is in its initial stage, and the team is working on requirements gathering. My mission is to conduct formative research so we better understand how and why people take notes and identify notes-taking lifecycle and pain points. Note-taking involves very different types of activities. It can be private and shared, quick and long, precise and sketchy. Note-taking activity crosses ages, demographics and professions. It can be performed either using digital tools or just pen and paper, or involve handwriting on digital tools. To make a research on note-taking, I used direct observation and interview techniques that better fit formative research. One of the advantages of direct observation is that users are observed in their natural environment. That's why direct observation has high ecological validity. In formative research, the emphasis is on observing the difficulties facing the person in everyday living, or activities that the future product is intended to support. Such observation may also reveal problems with existing products and may suggest ideas for future developments. During direct observation, an observer sits passively and records as accurately as possible what's going on. I chose to make semi-structured observation, which means that I wrote beforehand to what kind of behaviors I would need to pay special attention. An advantage of the technique is that I could observe a number of people doing things in parallel or interacting with each other. The purpose of post-observation interview is to learn more about the motivations, habits, and reflections that I couldn't identify just from observing the users. After some trial and error, I chose it to be an open-ended and conversational interview, which allowed me to get a deeper understanding of user and the context in which the user operates. I interviewed 3 users in 2 different settings. First setting, it's digital and handwritten note takers who attended a night lecture related to game design in product management. In this setting, I observed how people take notes using a piece of paper or laptop. In my second setting, people were working on designing a product in a hands-on workshop. What I learned from this research is how many hidden and visible emotions involved in such a seemingly simple activity. People I talked to described possessiveness, talked about hidden competition, responsibility, being emotionally involved or emotionally removed. My major findings is that note-taking can be a very personal experience. Digital note-taking is highly prone to distractions from other apps installed on the same device. It is very important for users to be able to manage their notes effectively, to make sure their notes won't get lost, their notes are memorable and easy to retrieve and share. Social effects of taking notes: people can feel more involved or remote depending on the way they or other people take notes in public. Many people prefer handwritten notes because of their flexible layout and easy way to edit. Now to recommendations. One of my recommendations was to design smart tagging and clustering notes for easy search and recall, so to promote feeling of safe and intuitive knowledge management. Another important issue that came up in the observation and the interview was that note space needs to be treated as an infinitive canvas, where one or multiple users can fill information at the same time. Contextual relevance. Notes need to be connected to other application and can be turned into actionable items like to-do lists. Another issue to address is reducing distraction. Future Note application would support a recording mode when only notebook screen can be accessed. Notes will connect to other application, but other applications cannot be visible. Thank you.